Good afternoon, traders. This is the aftermarket review of today's action in the E-mini S&P. First thing this morning, we noticed downtrend was testing support. We thought today's support would probably hold using the 2100 as a broad idea, with support at 98 below us if we were to take out Friday's low. And we warned that the first trades might take some time to develop. Try to make sure you get into the 2 to 3, and then we're going to have to work around news as news came out. By the end of the day, the megaphone pattern that we had said was possible had played out, and the pullback at lunch, a beautiful contra at lunch, and then off to the races again this afternoon, closing near the highs. We like the half gap and gap trade first. No reason to try to fade recent strength, and the thought was that we should be able to test that 05 area. We had a difference between today's open and the close on Friday. We chose to use 5 1/4 as the potential close gap, and above the rain line we thought the first potential target should be that 875 magnet. And then obviously if we could run above that, because we felt that was our first serious resistance zone, then the potential was to go and tag that 12.5 zone. We were keying off the NQ, which obviously showed some strength this morning. We thought the 60 area looked like it would be supportive. Turned out that was true. Went out and made another new high at the end of the day. Downtrend line was taken out, and once we got rocking and rolling past this 8 area, got into the top box on this chart. Squeeze pivot identified right here, this doji bar. Below that bar we said was support until broken. Turned out that never broke again the rest of the day. In the afternoon we came back with our little lunch pullback. We thought we would be lucky to get back to the 07, the middle zone, and if so, make sure you covered. And if you were looking to buy, use a couple of point stop and see if we could retest the original high of the morning in the 12.5 zone. Once we got back up above the rain line and the blue line and the green and red line, it was just a matter of using stops and following your trailers up and trying to get into their potential targets, T1 at 13.5 area to 1575. Those were our primary ideas. And in the morning, primary idea was if we could get to 12, we've done well. T1 at 13.5 was the morning resistance target. This 6.5 area, squeeze pivot, perfect pullback, hold the middle, and then bounce in and form the W. We love that formation. And then the afternoon, once we could hold this back into the 875, then the targets immediately became take out the high, see if we could get to that 13.5 target to 1575 and even 16.25. Green box was our primary support area, red box our primary resistance zone today, middle trading obviously in between. We love this chart. We use this to help frame the market and tell us where are we. Step by step, this big box right here, this 21, 99.75, 21, our big support right now in this box that we are trading. We use the Darvis box system. I love that methodology. One of the more common sense ideas that I've stumbled across in my years of trading. Love the Globex charts today. The 30, snapbacks possible. The 15, rotation right here back into the middle and stay above as we get that bow tie effect. 60-minute was our support chart. We felt 98 to 99 would hold first time back if we got there. And love the 240 chart, trying to dig in and hold. I posted the 3-body problem. It's something I found one of my favorite authors had made reference to this, Roy H. Williams. I follow him, and I clicked on one of the links he provided, and 3-body problem popped up. I looked at it and it caught my eye. I do believe mathematics is important in our relationships in the market. So when something like this catches my eye, I take the time to read it and add to my knowledge base. The idea that we can predict out way out into the future, I think, has been shown to be a fallacy. So we focus on the smaller swings and try to fit them inside the larger swings. Signing off, this is E. Hope you had a great day, and hope this shed some light on some of the things we were looking at today and thought important for our trading. Have a great evening.